Stop recording button.
This is 2020 and we're here, and I just want to tell you about my Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator, and it's working fine, but you know, I'm here alone, and I just want to give you an update of my Frigidaire. So what happened a day ago when it shuts down, it a little bit made a shaky sound. Don't know why, but and I have a Frigidaire dishwasher too. Anyway, so I give you an update on my Frigidaire. So, I don't want to get busted, but we have a Goodman at the place next door, by the way. A Goodman straight cool and the heat pump. Which ain't running, because it's warm. Let's see if it was running recently. Yeah, it's cold. So I just want to give you an update for Reproductions. And in Reproductions gas station, I found out there's a Heatcraft refrigeration component. Heatcraft refrigeration component and a Russell refrigeration component, and 2 heat pumps and 1 straight cool. So there is Lux Air from... I have to look at that video again. I don't know, guys, but you can read it on the comments. This is for Reproductions. And there's another, there's a Trenton refrigerator component at that gas station over there. And when they're in Hollywood, Florida, you saw the 09 route that had the bad bearings in it. It's making all that racket because of the bad bearings are going. And just to give you an update that none of the window air conditioners or central air conditioners or heat pumps are running yet, because I think it's spring, and I have a flue pipe for the carrier gas furnace. Return and exhaust. So this is just a little update. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wow.
Recording.